Today I'm going to show you how you can open the neck and make it little bit deeper. This is the dress, and the neck design, you can see that it's very narrow, so my client wants to make the neck little bit deeper and she wants me to cut it and make it deep neck, and she also wants to keep the design that was on the front. And first I unstitch the pattern, as you can see that, and after that I cut the whole neck piece, and as you can see this is the piece, and then after that I cut the extra part, and after that I unstitch the lining area, and then I stitch with the lining the neck area, and then after that the patchwork or the embroidery part I attach it underneath. And first I pin it up. As you can see, this is the embroidery that I am going to put it, and this is the first I pin it up with the pin. And as you can see that how I am doing it, I was checking that maybe the other fabric will fit, but it was less, so this patchwork embroidery fabric is enough to cover the area. So I attached with the pin, and after once it was done I stitched the on top of that. As you can see that how I start doing the stitch, and I remove the pin one by one and I slowly stitch the area. And after the stitching it was done, and then after that I hand stitch some of the area, and I rejoined all the shoulder area and the neck area, as you can see, and there's a final look.